Hey everyone, welcome back to Pro English Channel. How are you today?
Hi, everyone. I'm so excited, Ryan. Today, we are going to talk about something fun, your hobbies.
Yes. Do you know what a hobby is? A hobby is something you love to do in your free time. It can be anything, playing football, reading books, painting, singing, dancing, or even collecting things.
Hobbies are amazing because they make you happy and help you learn new skills. Can you imagine a world where nobody had hobbies? It would be very boring.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Pro English Channel. Your support helps us a lot.
Exactly. And we want to hear from you, too. Comment below and tell us what your favorite hobby is.
So, are you ready to have fun and learn English at the same time?
Let's get started.
First, let's talk about what a hobby really is. A hobby is something you enjoy doing, something that makes you happy.
Yes, and hobbies can be very small or very big. For example, reading a book is a small hobby, but playing football with your friends can be bigger.
Hobbies are not only fun, they are good for your mind and body. Do you know why hobbies are important?
They help you relax, learn new things, and sometimes even make new friends.
Imagine this. You have a hobby that you love. Every day, you spend time doing it. It makes you feel happy and confident.
Yes, and sometimes your hobby can help you in school or at work. For example, if your hobby is painting, you can use creativity for projects.
Or if you like sports, you can stay strong and healthy.
Hobbies also help your brain. Activities like puzzles, reading, or writing make your brain sharper.
Let's ask everyone again. What is your hobby? Write it in the comments now.
Yes, everyone has hobbies. Even small hobbies are important.
Let's start with sports hobbies. Sports are very popular. They keep your body healthy and your mind active.
Yes, playing football, basketball, swimming, running, or cycling are all fun.
Do you know why sports are good hobbies? They make your heart healthy, your muscles strong, and your mind happy.
Also, sports are social. You can make new friends while playing together.
Even small activities like walking in the park or stretching are hobbies. They help you relax and feel calm.
And some people enjoy extreme sports like skateboarding or rock climbing. It is exciting and fun, but be careful and safe.
Sports hobbies are good for everyone, young and old. You can start today. Let's learn some words. The word active means moving a lot or doing things. Example, playing sports keeps you active. The word social means doing things with other people. Example, sports are social because you play with friends. Try using these words in a sentence.
Now, let's talk about creative hobbies. These are hobbies that let you use your imagination.
Painting, drawing, crafting, or making DIY projects are creative hobbies.
Even simple hobbies like coloring or making paper models are very fun.
Some people like writing stories or poems. Writing is a hobby that also improves your English.
Yes, and music is another creative hobby. Singing, playing instruments, or composing music can make you happy.
Even listening to music can be a hobby if you do it with attention and joy.
And some hobbies are very unique. For example, building models, doing magic tricks, or designing clothes.
These hobbies show your personality. They help you express yourself. Let's try a mini dialogue about creative hobbies. What's
your favorite creative hobby?
My hobby is drawing. I love sketching animals. What about you?
I enjoy writing poems. It's fun to play with words.
See? Talking about hobbies is easy and fun. The word imagination means creating ideas or pictures in your mind. Example, Painting uses your imagination to create art. The phrase express yourself means showing who you are through words or actions. Example, singing helps me express myself. Try using these in your own sentences.
Some hobbies are calm and quiet. For example, reading, knitting, or doing puzzles.
Yes, reading books or magazines is a peaceful hobby. It also helps your English and vocabulary.
Knitting, sewing, or building small models are calm hobbies too. They make your hands and mind active.
Some people enjoy gardening. Planting flowers or vegetables is relaxing, and it teaches patience too.
And some people enjoy collecting things like coins, stamps, or postcards. They're interesting and special.
Let's do a quick dialogue. Do you like quiet hobbies?
Yes, I love gardening. I grow flowers in my backyard. What about you?
I enjoy reading mystery books. They're so exciting.
Quiet hobbies are great for relaxing after a busy day.
The word peaceful means calm and quiet. Example, reading is a peaceful hobby. The word patience means waiting calmly without getting upset. Example, gardening teaches patience because plants grow slowly. Try these words in a sentence.
Now, let's learn how to talk about your hobby in English.
You can say, my hobby is, for example, my hobby is painting. Or, I like, for example, I like playing football.
You can say, what is your hobby? Or, do you like?
And if someone has the same hobby, you can say, I also like.
Let's try a small dialogue. What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading. What about you?
I like reading too.
See? It is easy and fun. Let's practice more. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like swimming. It's refreshing. What about you?
I enjoy cycling. It's great to ride in the park.
Talking about hobbies helps you connect with people.
The sentence pattern, my hobby is simple and useful. Example, my hobby is dancing. The question, what is your hobby, invites others to share. Try this. Answer, my hobby is, with your own hobby.
Did you know people who have hobbies are usually happier?
Yes, and hobbies can help you live longer. A fun hobby makes life exciting and healthy.
Also, some hobbies can become careers. For example, if you love painting, you can become an artist. If you love cooking, you can be a chef.
Even small hobbies like blogging or making videos can become big opportunities.
Hobbies are not just for kids. Adults also need hobbies to feel happy and creative.
So never stop enjoying your hobbies, no matter what your age.
Here's a fun fact. Did you know that collecting coins is one of the oldest hobbies? People have been doing it for centuries.
And here's a joke. Why did the scarecrow become a painter? Because he was outstanding in his field.
Now, let's do a fun practice.
Question 1. What is your favorite hobby? Answer, my favorite hobby is...
Question 2. Do you like sports? Answer, yes, I like sports. Or, no, I don't like sports.
Question 3. Do you like creative hobbies? Answer, yes, I like painting. Or, I enjoy singing.
Question 4. Do you like quiet hobbies? Answer, yes, I like reading books. Or, I like gardening.
Great. Job, keep practicing. Try asking your friends, what is your hobby?
You can also say, I like, and share a story about your hobby.
Here's another exercise. Write 3 sentences about your hobby. For example, my hobby is dancing. I dance every weekend. It makes me happy. Try it in the comments. If you don't have a hobby yet, don't worry. Here are some tips.
Number 1, think about what you enjoy. Do you like sports, music, art, or reading?
Number 2, try one hobby at a time. Don't do many hobbies at once.
Number 3, spend a little time every day on your hobby. Even 10 to 15 minutes is helpful.
Number 4, share your hobby with friends or family. It's more fun together.
Number 5, try new hobbies. You may discover something amazing.
And remember, hobbies should make you happy. Don't do a hobby if it feels boring or stressful.
Here's a fun tip. Try an unusual hobby like origami, paper folding, or bird watching. They're unique and exciting.
Or try something creative like making your own jewelry or cooking new recipes.
Let me tell you a small story. My friend loved reading books. She read every day for 30 minutes. Soon, she became very good at English and made many friends who also liked reading.
That's amazing. I have a story too. My hobby is cycling. I started with small rides near my house. After some months, I could ride long distances and meet new friends in cycling groups.
Here's another story. My cousin started knitting as a hobby. At first, she made simple scarves. Now, she creates beautiful sweaters and sells them online.
See, hobbies can change your life in small but beautiful ways.
One more story. My neighbor loves photography. He started taking pictures of flowers in his garden. Now he travels to take photos of nature and shares them with the world.
Hobbies make you happy, confident, and sometimes even famous.
That's all for today's lesson.
We hope you enjoyed learning about hobbies and talking about them in English.
Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Pro English channel.
Yes, and comment below. What is your favorite hobby? We want to know.
Keep practicing, have fun, and enjoy your hobbies every day.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye!